Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should not use auto-clickers to gain an unfair advantage or break Roblox rules. That risks bans. Instead, start by confirming the game's policy and Roblox's terms of use. Once done, identify whether you need automation for legitimate accessibility or for development testing. Make sure to install only approved assistive or testing tools. Avoid anonymous freeware that changes gameplay. You're setting a safe foundation and protecting your account while getting the functionality you actually need. You can achieve automation goals without violating rules by using Roblox's built-in accessibility options or officially supported assistive software. Once configured, map simple inputs to reduce strain. These are allowed for accessibility. If you're a developer, use Roblox Studio's scripting and test servers to automate interactions for debugging and QA. That stays within the platform's tools. Make sure to document why automation is used and keep it limited to testing or accessibility so you avoid sanctions. Complete the process by validating your setup in a private or development environment before any online play. If you see account warnings, stop immediately and revert to manual control, continuing risk suspension. If accessibility needs are unmet, contact Roblox support or use certified assistive tech vendors to get help. A key troubleshooting tip: if something behaves unexpectedly, disable automated inputs and replicate the issue manually to isolate whether it's a tool problem or a gameplay restriction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.